Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos for offline viewing on iQIYI. To download videos on iQIYI, first of all, open up the iQIYI application and log into your account. Now, go to the search box at the top of the screen and search for the content you want to download. After you type down the name, go ahead and look for the content in the search result and tap on it. Now look for the content and tap on play now to play it. After the chosen content starts playing, go ahead and look for the download button which will appear right underneath the player. You will then be able to select the video quality from the drop down at the top left. Now go ahead and choose the episode you want to download, but remember that not all videos are available for download due to licensing restrictions. Some content may require a VIP subscription for offline viewing, so make sure you join VIP first, and after you are a VIP member, you can easily download the content on your mobile device or your computer. Downloads are only available in the app version, not on the website, so make sure you use this on iQIYI mobile app or desktop app. So make sure you try to download the content in the app version of iQIYI. And that's how you easily download videos in iQIYI for offline viewing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iQIYI tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.